Very good evening, students, and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all of the exam. I welcome you all to this session of DI Data Interpretation Type 2. Yesterday we have just revised the basics of DI Data Interpretation, in which we have covered some important questions related to level 1 of data interpretation. So let's now begin with type 2 of DI for upcoming CMAT exam, which is on 15th of this month. Let me tell you also that after completing this session, we will be having a revision and a rapid test on the same type 2 of data interpretation, but not on YouTube. It will be on application of BYJU'S, right? So just after completing this session with me, I want everyone, is my voice is low? Vinay? It's okay now, the voice? The voice is okay? Chali, so let's begin with the session. The first question, see, yesterday the questions which we have done are related to single chart only, right? Here we have two different charts. One is pie chart and one is a table graph. Okay, the table tells us the ratio of men to women, and the first graph is the percentile of various departments. So let's read the question thoroughly first. This is number of employees working in various departments of an organization. So total number of employees are 4600, and they are divided according to this percentile in various categories of the or various departments. And in each department, what is the ratio of the number of men to women? This is also mentioned, right? So let's see what is the first question. What is the ratio of the number of men in the production department to the number of men in the marketing department? Okay, so we need production and marketing. So men are 3 with respect to women 2. So total is 2 here, 4 here, 5 here, 4 here, 2 here, 6 here. So in production, out of 5 men are 3. In production, out of 5 men are 3, and in production we have 15% total number of employees out of 4600, right? So 25 into 46, right? This is the first calculation. But now see the trick, right? When you are calculating the ratio, so before doing this calculation, don't calculate it until and unless you prepare the total formula, that is the ratio. We need to find the ratio of production department and men of the marketing. In marketing we have 1/2 of total marketing is 22 of 46. Now see, on both the sides, these two figures are same, so cancel them out. Okay, 3 into 5, 15, and this is 2 into 11, like this. Okay. I think this is 3 by 5. I have taken 5 by 3. This is 3 by 5. Three out of total 5. So here we get 9 and here we get 11. So it was quite simple that it is 9 is to 11, right? So the first question is simple. If you make the whole equation in one go and then calculate. Next is related to the same graph, but the question is now to find the number of women in the accounts department only. So in accounts we have 1 woman to 3 men. So number of women in accounts department is 1 with respect to total 1 plus 3 4, and in accounts we have 8% of total population. So 4 into 2, this accounts to 92 number of women. So answer is 92. Okay, Vinay, I think you have got my idea that what I told you, that don't cut it before, right? Write the whole equation first. See the figures which you can cancel, which are same on both the sides. 46, 46 same, 100, 100 same. Cancel them out, okay? Right? If we are spending the time in calculating the first number, then in the second number, and then finally taking the ratio, right, we are increasing our time 3 folds, right? So this we have to keep in mind. Time management is very important. What is the total number of employees in the IT department to the HR department? Okay, again we have to find the total of IT and HR. IT is 26, HR is 11. So HR plus IT total makes 11 plus 26, that is 37%. So 37% of 4600, this comes out to around 1702. But since 1702 is not here, we will mark the nearest option, that is 1742. The number of employees working in the various department of an organization and the ratio of men to women in the same is given again, and the chart is same, but now what is the ratio of men to women in all the departments? So here we have to calculate one by one from every department. See, in HR, men is 1 by 2 of 11%. 11 upon 100 into 4600 gives 46 only. I am not taking that 46 because that 4600 upon 100 will be common to men and women both. So I am not taking it because that will cancel out in both the ratio, as we have done in the first question. Second department is accounts. Men is 3 by 4, and in accounts we have 8 plus. Third is production, 3 by 5. Production is 15. Then next IT, 1 by 4. IT is 26 plus marketing, 1 by 2. Marketing is 22 plus merchandising is 5 out of 6 of 18. Now calculate this. This is 3, this is 11, this is 2, this is again 3, this is 13 by 2, this is 11 by 2 and 13 by 2, 24 by 2, which is 12. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 11 plus 15. How much is this? 18 plus 9, 27 plus 11, 38 plus 15, 53. Number of men are 53, which is there in C option. So tick that option, because in no other option we have 53. So answer is C part, 53 is to 47. No need of calculating the women, right? Because the total percentile is 100. So we can see that roughly it will be 47. Next, the number of women in merchandising. Merchandising is this last part. Women is 1 to 5. So 1 by 6, and merchandising is 18%. 18% of 4600. This is number of women in merchandising. This forms what percent of total number of employees? Total number of employees is 4600. This forms what percent? Now this will cancel out, this will cancel out. See, if I make the equation first, how simple it is. 3%, A part. But if I calculate every calculation separately and then use those bits of calculation to create the whole answer, that will take whole lot of time. Okay, so try to make the equation first and then solve it. Next is bar graph, comparing the two bars, right? We haven't done this yesterday, so this is type 2. The following graph shows the percentage growth of branded and assembled PCs, right? So this is related to the percentage growth, right? It's not about number of PCs. This is about percentage growth of branded and assembled PCs, right? The filled bars is branded and the empty bar is assembled. We have this data for 5 years from 95 to 99. In which year the difference in the growth between the branded and the assembled PCs is the lowest. Okay, the difference, the growth is between 20 and 10 is 10. This is 15. This is between 20 and 25, 5. This is huge. So it is the year 97 where the difference between the two type of PCs is lowest. What is the average percentage growth of the sales of assembled PCs in the given year? So we need to find average of assembled. This is 20, 25, 25, 50, 55, right? So 50 and 50, 100, 100 and 175 is the total for 5 years. 5 into 3, 15, 35 is the average, which is D part, students. For assembled PCs sale, which year is the percentage growth the highest as compared to the previous year? It is for assembled, that is empty bar. Compare the two empty bar. How much is the difference? 5. How much is the difference? No difference. 25 to 25. How much is the difference from 25 to 50? 25. And here the difference is 5. The highest difference is in the year 1998. Okay. In 1998 the growth is highest, 25-point growth. Right. So the student, at 8 p.m. we have a session today related to CMAT 2024 upcoming exam. How to maximize your score. I will give you my analysis, right? My reports of the previous CMAT exam of 2023, right? How you can improve your score in the quant section. We'll do some important questions also, and we'll tell you the last final tips related to the exam. So be with me in this workshop at 8 p.m. today. And after this session, I will be taking a quick rapid test of DI part 2 type 2 at 5:45. So be with me at 5:45 p.m. on the application of BYJU'S. That's all with this session, students. Take care. Bye and thanks for joining.